Welcome to the channel. If you have been playing Kahoot on your phone and want to enjoy the game without the constant sound effects, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to easily disable the sound effects on the Kahoot app so you can focus better. First, open the Kahoot app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then, in the top right corner, click on the settings icon. Scrolling down, you will find the option labeled Sound Effects. Finally, turn off the sound effects toggle. This will disable all game sounds and allow you to play Kahoot without any audio interruptions. Now you can enjoy Kahoot in a quieter way, focusing fully on the questions and answers without being distracted by background noises. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.